Alright, my new project will be to remodel the downstairs bathroom. This is what it looks like right now. We got vanity, drop down ceiling, removed some of the panels already, but we'll be taking those out. Some vinyl sheet flooring, toilet, shower that is a little 90s looking, I guess. Some glass sliding doors. Basically, we're going to be ripping this out of the shower and putting just a shower pan in, and then probably doing what's called a glass enclosure, which will be sliding doors and then like also a glass wall here, and then probably do just tile on the corner there. Update the fixtures a little bit. Probably get a new toilet too. This one, like, you have to hold down the flusher for a second or so to like get it to go, which is kind of annoying. Redo the flooring with something, not quite sure yet. Get a new vanity. And just redo the drop down ceiling because it's getting kind of grody. It's like all rusty and stained and stuff. I think I'm going to try and move this pipe too. That will be another project. And yeah, here we go. Alright, I was going to attempt to unscrew all the bolts that are in the back. This surround is in 3 pieces, but a lot of the bolts I can't even get at. So I will be using this guy. If you got it, you might as well use it. And I will attempt to not hit any of the pipes that are behind this. So I think if I cut like in the corners, I'm probably pretty good. Here I go. A few plumbing things we got going on here. I did end up taking the drain tube that was coming all the way across the house from the laundry room, this guy here, and I cut it off of this pipe, which was running straight down into the main line down there, because my theory was that there was no trap up there and no vent with it either, so sewer gas could be coming all the way up through this, all the way to the other side of the house and in through the laundry room. So I cut it off and I'm connecting it with this new thing. It's actually going to empty into my floor drain right there. I got to cut that pipe off just a little bit and have it go right in the floor drain. So that'll become what's known as an indirect waste pipe, essentially. Not 100% sure if that's fine to do, but I think it should be fine. It's just the washing machine that spurts out a little bit of water. And then we have this guy here coming from our tub and sink in the main bathroom, runs over here, and this thing was always an eyesore because it stuck down below the drop down ceiling, so we knew right away we wanted to get rid of that. So what I'm going to do is cut it off here and actually angle it over to this drain pipe that was essentially doing something and then wasn't, and now it's going to do something again, and then I'm going to cap this right here and that'll just be nothing. So this hopefully should go smoothly. The only hiccup I can see is if for some reason this drain pipe like can't handle a volume of water that like the shower would put out, but hopefully it can, and hopefully this goes smoothly. Alright, just about done with the plumbing stuff. I got one more joint to glue. Not sure if it's going to work yet. I think it should be just fine, but I'm nervous to test it, so I'll let you know how that goes. Basically, took our tub and sink drain pipe, and the problem was like right here. It came down and like stuck down into this room right here and was kind of an eyesore. So I actually rerouted it into that pipe that I took off of there, and yeah, actually I already explained that. So one more joint to glue there. Anyway, this project, next project is to put 2 corner studs in here, and I'll have to like do some blocking and stuff and kind of rig something up to put those corner studs in, so that I have something to frame or nail the fire in the hole.